How to fit the CZ600 Trail M1913 Picatinny adapter by G10. Step 1. Remove the chassis from the rifle by removing the two torque bolts here and here. Step 2. Remove the skeleton stock. Remove the bolts holding the end of the skeleton stock and slide the skeleton stock out of the chassis. Step 3. Now that you have removed the skeleton stock from the chassis, remove the 3 pins, here, here, and here. These hold the stock release mechanism. Having removed the pins, the stock release mechanism can be removed from the chassis. Step 4. Using the 3.3mm drill bit provided, drill through the side holes as shown. Step 5. Take your G10 CZ600 adapter and place it in the rear of the chassis. Use a rubber mallet to firmly tap it into place. Step 6. Secure the adapter using the two M4x14 bolts provided. Step 7. Fit the bolts on both sides of the adapter. If the bolts are tight, you may have to enlarge the holes slightly in the plastic chassis, or add a dab of copper grease to the bolt to assist with its seating. You are now ready to attach any Picatinny style buttstock to your rifle. Thank you for watching. Please check out our website g-10.co.uk where you can purchase one of our CZ600 Trail M1913 Picatinny adapters.